Kalyani Motors. SAP S/4HANA paves the way to greater transparency and better data quality. Challenges and opportunities. Transaction was captured in multiple systems. No centralized ERP. Simplify processes with better user experience. Shorten month-end closing and accurate response time to facilitate business growth. Harmonize business processes. Real-time integration with dealer management system for sales and services. Why SAP and Savik Technologies Private Limited? A trusted partner to this initiative. History of success working together in Kalyani Group companies. Expertise in building a foundation for digital transformation and supporting complex projects. Captured accurate real-time data for faster decision making and improved time to market. High-speed processing, real-time analytics, and full functionality of the SAP S/4HANA Enterprise Management Solution across all lines of businesses. Increased data accuracy thanks to automated intelligent processes. Value-driven results. System-generated daily sales performance abstract for all the 167 business units. Single system to capture all the transactions by manual entry or interface with other systems. Real-time analytics to deliver insight to inventory and customer needs. SAP S/4HANA covers most of the requirements as a best practice and inbuilt functionalities like finance, procurement, real-time integration with dealer management system, real-time P&L and balance sheet. Savik has been an exceptionally strong partner for us during this project. SAP S/4HANA as the digital core to streamline and optimize our business processes throughout the business while improving productivity. 167 profit centers, real-time integration, 100% improved information, 97% faster reporting.